Hey guys, I mentioned in a previous video that I have a particular labelling system for my sealed products, so I thought I'd start today by showing you a little bit of that. So if you follow me around here into the depths of my sealed closet, well, one of them anyways, but if we take this one on top, for example, Hidden Fates. So on the label you can see it says obviously Hidden Fates, that tells you the set. Below that it says ETB number 4. This is number 4 out of my Hidden Fates ETBs. Then on the top right hand corner it says Y. That means that yes, I'm allowed to open this one. And if we look below it, we see a G and then a C. So that's the grade I've given this particular box. So because it's got rips and a couple of dinged corners, I've decided to give this box a grade C. Usually I do wrap things in bubble wrap, as you can see, especially the more delicate stuff. But because there's a couple of Hidden Fates I have that were absolutely mauled when they got to me, I decided, where's the point? They're going to get cracked anyways. So all the labels do actually correspond to a spreadsheet that I keep on my computer as well. I'm not going to bore you with that because it's literally just what you see on the label in a spreadsheet form. The only difference is I also add on the price that I paid for the unit. And that's it. You know what? Since we're up here, yeah, that'll do. Right, we're back and here's a random code card. We're not going to open the whole box, but we're going to keep going until we basically hit a good pull that I'm happy with. And I'm still on the hunt for that rainbow rare chunky chew as well, and half of the amazing rares, because I kept getting repeats. Also, if you're ever going to package your bubble wrap on boxes like these, remember to always put the dimply bubble bit on the outside so the flat bit is facing inwards. Otherwise you're going to dent your boxes over time. And that sounds weird, but it happens. Now this is actually quite a good example of a box. The reason that I'm opening it though, because although the seal is actually pretty spot on, is because on top they started using inferior, not ink, but inky kind of powdery stuff for the Pokeball symbols. And this one is mostly rubbed off, and that's not good enough for a sealed collection. Oh god, and it gets everywhere. We have to do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. And what better way to start? Our reverse rare is Clobopus. And our back card is a Hollow Shaman. Not the hedgehoggy kind of form. Oh man, look at my fingers covered in that crap. Okay, I'm clean. Celebi. Our reverse hollow is Pick-a-Peck, something, that nursery rhyme. Oh! And a gold telescopic sight. Second pack in. Okay, video over. That's it. Done. We're done. Sorry, guys. Centering wise, off top to bottom, but decent left to right. Maybe very slightly off. Off very slightly left to right. But otherwise, decent. Corners are nice and round. Good card. Good card. I think technically speaking, that's probably the rarest pull we've had on the channel. Set my sights too low. Back 3. Our reverse hollow is Dusk Noir, non-hollow Galarian Berserker. That's fine. We need to come down. We need to relax a little bit. Our reverse hollow is Wash Energy, and our very back card is non-hollow Bennett. Our reverse holo is Dorudon, and our very back card is non-holo Beedrill. Okay, I'm ready for a hit now. Zeb Striker, and our back card is a holo Zekrom. Again, beautiful artwork. I just not a fan of the holo pattern on this generation. Spacey ones, and I want swirls that are randomized. Crocodiles are reverse holo, and non-holo Yang Mega. This, I could be crazy, but this pack feels heavier and thicker. I'm just going to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's the correct quantity. Our reverse holo is Clobopus, and at the very back, we've got a non-holo Jolteon. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Zarude. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Our reverse holo is Shuckle, and our back card is Lucario. I've cursed us. That gold card at the start cursed us. I'm going to stick with the right lane. I'm getting drawn towards it. And our reverse holo is a Lugia. That's a good one. It's a good reverse holo to get. And our back card is a non-holo Flareon. I will persevere with the right column. Our reverse holo is a Flareon, and our back card is a Lycanroc non-holo. The second half of this box has to be fire, doesn't it? Like, this is ridiculous now. Reverse holo C-Dot. Regular holo Leon. The only good side to this is you now know that I 100% definitely do not cheat with my packs. Reverse holo Belladum. Non-holo Garbodor. This is painful. Garbodor though, like, it's literally insulting me now. Reverse holo Zebra Striker, a non-holo Metagross. So we had a gold card, we had a gold card, and we had a gold card. We had a gold card. And our back card is a holo Snorlax. Reverse holo Charmander. Eggy/V. We got one, and it is the worst one. Also, look at that centering. It makes you want to cry. I might cry. it's a possibility I might cry. We're going to open 2 more packs, because I'm not happy. Big old printer hickey there. And one up there. Wow. Reverse Hollow Opal. Non-Hollow Ninjask. Pikachu, please. Eevee. Thank you. Amazing rare Raikou. Oh, okay. Non-hollow creamy, but I don't care. We got an amazing rare Raikou. Ooh, very slightly off top to bottom. Side to side looks maybe very slightly off as well, left to right. Looks very slightly off top to bottom, left and right, looks good. And the only annoying thing about it is I've already got 2 of these off for grading. This second half of this box, we're not doing it today, but it better be absolutely incredible. If I don't get a rainbow Pikachu out of it after this, I'm going to probably set my car on fire. We'll see. Our 3 main pulls from today are the Eglash V, the Golden Telescopic Sight, and the amazing rare Raikou. But let's just bring up a good point though, to say that it's not always sunshine and rainbows when it comes to opening packs. You do have dry spells, it happens, but at the same time, that's what makes the highs even higher. Like, you know, I love amazing rares, but I've never wanted to see one more than I did in that moment. Didn't matter. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good time. I will see you later.